Today's crisis, Harsha.
Brain rot. Yes.
Hello and welcome to our second episode of Two Girls, One Literary Crisis, where we talk about books, we talk about problems with books, and we try to make people start reading again. This podcast is about this book. We finally finished it. We
Yeah,
finally
yeah.
finished it. We definitely did finally finish it. So, 60-second summary. I'm timing you.
Okay. Damn. Okay.
Okay, start.
So it follows three characters: Margaret, Alice, Hayden. Alice and Hayden are like both journalists. Hayden is a Pulitzer winner, sort of thing, and Alice is like a celebrity gossip writer. And it follows the story of Margaret, who is like a celebrity, sort of a celebrity, a tabloid princess or something like that. And she goes into hiding, and one day Alice gets like this
Your
anonymous.
60 seconds are over. Tuck, tuck, tuck. How about I try? Okay.
Okay.
Try. Um, so uh, it's a book about two writers. Okay, they're competing with each other to write about this one famous author who goes into hiding, and like everybody's like really intrigued. कि इसके साथ क्या हुआ? They end up falling in love, and then they have this whole thing. They fear falling in love with each other. They have their own emotional traumas. And Margaret की story ये है जहाँ पे she like reveals about her family and stuff. So apparently, the plot twist is weird, but like she is in love with this person और उसकी family की वजह से उसकी शादी नहीं हो पाती. And so yeah, that happens. Hayden turns out to be her long family friend,
Time's
kind of.
up.
Yeah. But like, yeah, that is the story. I think I did well.
Of
I think
course,
I did
Ajay.
better than you.
Yeah, of course.
I think I
Nobody
did
can
better
beat
than
you.
you. Okay.
Okay, so
So do you think? I think the major theme जो book की थी was the setup, the whole enemies to lovers वाली thing. I think she tried to explore.
I feel like the author really failed at that. Like, I did get the chemistry. Like, the chemistry was really nice, but again, like, she did not really explore the enemies to lover
Which I think
thing.
again इतना ज़्यादा था ना, like Margaret की भी story चल रही है and then इसकी भी story चल रही है, तो like पहले also Alice is so desperate. But like,
She's dumb.
yeah, but like I truly think it wasn't able to, इतना अच्छे से enemies to lover नहीं था. Like truly enemies तो वो कभी थे ही नहीं.
Yeah, because Alice was like really nice to.
And Hayden was just
Yeah.
I think it was more of a grumpy sunshine theme ज़्यादा थी.
Yeah, that trope was a lot more than like
ठीक है.
explore enemies to lover. Because to be very honest, if I am in a competition with somebody and I'm like there is no other way, and I really have to prove my worth or anything, I'm not going to go and get green tea for them. Like,
जो बात है.
I'm not going to do that
I think she's
thing.
like very desperate though. ठीक है. What do you think about two stories running side by side?
I was more invested in the
Margaret story, same.
Yes.
I was very invested, especially उसका जो family dynamics and everything था.
Yes.
What did you think about that? The whole Margaret timeline.
I think Margaret, I feel like even with the whole Margaret story, it was very predictable. Like, I could see it where, like, by the 20th chapter or like 21st chapter, I could see where this was going. I could literally, like, I could imagine it already. Ke, okay, आगे ये होगा, not to give any spoilers and everything. But yeah, like her meeting her husband, like Margaret meeting Cosmos and Claire, and like you know the whole, also I feel like the history that was given was also unnecessary.
I also feel like with the historical love story between Margaret and Cosmo थी, that was more gripping than Hayden or Alice की.
I feel like Hayden और Alice की story इतनी explore भी नहीं की गई है.
Exactly. I feel like ये हम फिर भी कैरेक्टर्स वाली चीज में बात कर सकते हैं, बट आई ट्रूली फील लाइक दे जस्ट बॉन्डेड ऑन फैमिली इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स.
I feel like Margaret and Alice bonded over the whole family trauma because Alice did not share like a good relationship with her mother.
Yeah, I get it.
So yeah,
I do get it. And like मुझे simply, like I said, I was more invested in Margaret than I was with Hayden
I think
and Alice.
everybody who's read this book was invested
And I
in
don't know if she was
Margaret.
trying that. I don't know if Emily Henry was truly trying that. Do you think so?
I think Emily Henry was okay. So well, I do have this thing that see if you as a writer are blowing up, it doesn't mean that you have to release a book every single month. Okay, first of
To
all,
stay relevant.
exactly to
I mean, we
stay
have
relevant,
examples. We have Khalid Hosseini.
and then I get it. See, the writing is not bad. I
The
I
writing
re-
is not
I
bad.
really like the writing, the style and everything. It reminded me of very 2015
However,
John
I
Green.
do have like problems with it. I feel like थोड़ी pacing बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's too dragged.
It
I
could have
feel,
been a
yeah,
short
I
story.
feel like in places she's sometimes explaining the emotions rather than letting them flow.
Can you
Like,
give a scene?
I cannot give you a scene, but I think I think I made notes. I made my notes. But like Hayden, I feel like Hayden is a true example of that. Like I feel like उसकी like Alice तो is the main character, like उसके अंदर उन्होंने बहुत clearly उसकी feelings डाली हुई हैं, like everything she's feeling. But I feel like Hayden की feelings are very described क्योंकि he's this grumpy ass person, and then like when he talks to Alice about his family and everything, okay, my dad didn't want me to be a journalist and everything. मुझे उसके कैरेक्टर में या उसके द वे दैट ही इज वो शो नहीं हुआ, रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हुआ. इफ यू गेट दैट.
I do because like I feel like even the whole point that he was born into this, mayor family and everything, even that was not explored as much as it should have been.
Exactly.
It felt very like I feel like there were a lot of empty spaces.
हाँ.
For example, like even like Theo and Alice Scott, even their relationship was not explored. Like it was just there.
Also,
Like
let me just get this straight.
okay,
क्या हो रहा है इस समाज में?
क्या हो रहा है इस दौर में?
क्या हो रहा है इस, like, okay, so there's this girl, she is with this guy for 7 months and not even a true girlfriend. पहले पेज पे ही पता लगता है. So like she's with Theo for 7 months, but she's not his girlfriend.
It's just
It's so sad.
it is
It's so
sad and
sad.
like they never truly break up. So like
They never truly break up.
yeah.
Just
So if Theo and like if Alice and Hayden are together, where does Theo go?
Theo just disappears.
Yeah,
Like also थोड़ा unrealistic होता है, वही जो मैंने बात की थी कि एक फ्रेंड ग्रुप में मैसेज आता है कि oh my god, you're always the one who is planning out stuff for Theo, and Theo never truly does that. And she's like oh my god yes, and suddenly उस पे एक रेवोल्यूशन आती है कि oh my god yeah. ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो so unrealistic.
it was, and even Jodie and Margaret का relationship was not explored that
हाँ,
well.
oh my
Like
god
oh my
yes,
god,
I
like
love
what
Jodie.
I did. She
I
was so
love Jodie, she was
nonchalant
so
and
cool.
everything.
एंड लाइक एलिस और जोडी का आई फील लाइक रिलेशनशिप थोड़ा बना था, लेकिन जोडी और मार्गरेट का रिलेशनशिप वुड बी एक्सप्लोर्ड. लाइक आई फील लाइक The reason I think this book is dragged is because I think अगर ये इतनी ही मोटी बुक रह कर बहुत सारे relationships explore कर लेती तो आई थिंक आई रियली वुड हैव लाइक्ड इट। जोडी का कैरेक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था, लेकिन उसको फिर आप एक्सप्लोर कर लेते ना अगर आपने डाला एक कैरेक्टर तो।
Yeah, true that.
आई थिंक दैट्स माई रियल प्रॉब्लम विद।
Also, to like for me personally, to actually sum it up, Jack Edwards said that it is a big BBL towards mystery and towards like she messed up. Let's just
Yeah,
be
she did.
honest about it that she did messed up, and we are
This is
not.
the only book we've read of Emily Henry. So like maybe we're judging the author by the book we shouldn't. ठीक है, like इसके मैंने रिव्यूज भी पढ़े थे when like I was giving my review, और उसके अंदर यही था कि दिस इज नॉट हर स्टाइल, दिस इज नॉट हाउ, एंड एवरीबडी थॉट आई थिंक द सेम थिंग कि you know she's just exploring, but then she kind of really failed at it. She really failed at exploring the book.
I did not like. Oh, shall we get to our rating?
Okay, yeah, for 1 star ratings
Yeah, so we took out like 1 star ratings
we took,
from Google Reads for this book.
and तुमने मुझे WhatsApp पे भेजा है ना? Okay. The first review is Jesus, this was not my cup of tea. Not romantic at all, and the story within a story was so boring. It had TJR vibes, but again, the interview bits were dull. Also, if this wins the Choice Award this year, I will never forgive you all. What do you think about this review?
I think it's
It's honest.
it's very
Super
honest because like yeah. Also, one thing I just noticed that it's so funny. All the people that we do not, prefer. I do not want to say like a very negative word. Like Colleen Hoover reviewed one of my favorite authors. Says a lot. I'm just saying, no hate to anybody if you
One of
prefer
my
that.
favorite authors, said by Colleen Hoover.
If you prefer her writing, I get it, but again, not for us.
Another review goes no, just no, and that's it.
Just though.
Just no. Emily Henry is not writing romance books anymore. She's writing with the sole purpose of landing movie deals, all while imagining a Taylor Swift song playing in the background.
I feel like this one is the most
Apt
apt
review.
review of this book because like what the hell? Trust me, what the hell? I swear to God, and a lot of people like who are on YouTube are giving the reviews and everything. They are like you lack the critical thinking of I literally don't know how to comprehend it, but she was basically like, "This is one of my favorite books, and if you do not like it, you lack the critical thinking." And I feel like it's not that we lack the critical thinking; it's just that it doesn't make sense. I will give the author this thing that she did a great job at writing. The writing was
I think we've read worse
amazing.
authors. The thing is, I think we've read worse authors, which is why I think this was okay. It did not have a lot of problematic stuff. It did not. The writing wasn't that bad. Okay, the writing is really bad when it comes to some of the authors on the cover, but like, the writing wasn't bad. Relationships were explored, not enough, maybe not to our level, but yes, they were explored. They weren't bad. Emotional compatibility भी थी, chemistry भी कहीं कहीं दिखी. So it's not like इतनी बुरी book है कि oh my god, I wouldn't give it a 1 star if I was going to give it out of 5. लेकिन I think it's okay, ठीक है. But then I also do think कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस बुक के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा लैक की गई. For example, I think my major problem which I talked to her about was कि Harsha, these people are working, okay? These are like 24, 25 years old.
Yeah.
They're our age. The characters have this thing कि the way that they're thinking, I don't think I would ever think that. Like, I'm a 24-year-old, right? I do not feel the characters. I think मुझे अपना past ज़्यादा दिख रहा था. Like, I feel like my 18-year-old self was
Like
relating to this book
if
more.
I was reading this at like, I don't know, way back in college, if I was reading this when I was like 15 or 14, I would have been like, oh my god, she is so good, she is so amazing. But I feel like also,
If we were young teens, I think we would have
yeah,
liked
I
this.
think the writing and the book and the storyline and everything is written for young adults, like 15 to 18 years. But like if you're older than that, I don't think so you would find any relatability or any sort of, emotion.
Exactly. Which brings us to our next thing. Ke, how is this book marketed? This book was definitely marketed as a romance. Um, romantic book thi, theek hai, the cover says it. But it was also marketed to young adults. Young
Yes.
adults are 20, 21.
Also, I feel
And
like,
I just don't feel like 20, 21-year-olds would relate to these books, which is why it is the 13 and 14-year-olds that pick these books up.
also I feel like she is a predominantly writing for white audience. I mean,
Maybe.
yes, a lot of Asian communities and a lot of people of color read her books, but personally, I just felt like it was, not to sound racist and everything, but it just felt that,
Not to sound racist.
yeah, it just felt that,
Racist disclaimer.
it just felt that she was like, it was a very like white problem. Like, oh my god, I'm so tall that my knees bump into you.
Okay, one more thing. Talking about the characters now. Alice, super desperate.
Horny, very horny,
But
very
like super
very
desperate.
horny.
So think of this. If you haven't read the book, कंपटीशन में हैं दो ऑथर्स एक दूसरे के और मार्गरेट जो है वो शी इज द वन हु इज गिविंग द स्टोरी और दोनों स्टोरी लिखेंगे और फिर वो बताएगी कि अच्छा मैं किसको चूज करती हूँ टू राइट माई बायोग्राफी ओके they're competing. Hayden is obviously being a rival, okay? Like he's like this grumpy man. उसको उलझन हो रही है कि उसको जॉब ऐसे क्यों नहीं मिल गई and why does he have to like deal with all of this. So he is a little grumpy. He's like okay yeah whatever. And Alice एक होता है nice होना right? Like I would be nice to somebody. कि अच्छा ठीक है even if somebody is grumpy I'll be like nice. She actively tries to be his friend. So he's like walking away and he's literally frowning at her and that scene where she like literally waves at him. I'm like, dude,
Also, I
this
feel
guy
like,
is frowning at you, why would you do that? And then वो उससे इतने random फजूल के सवाल पूछती है and then in the morning सुबह he literally grunts जब उनका room next to each other होता है ठीक है and then in the morning she goes to get coffee and gets him green tea and then जब वो लेता नहीं है तो she knocks at his door like crazy and goes like why didn't you take my green tea and then he's like oh sorry I did not notice आप इतनी चेप कैसे हो सकते हो
yeah,
like
that
Alice
was
was just
really
very
cheap.
cheap. What did
Yeah.
you think about Alice?
Personally, again, individual to individual, I feel like if I am in a competition with somebody, let's just say, if I am in a competition
With
with
even
her,
my best friend, I would be like, मेरा है ये.
yeah, I would literally be like, fuck off.
No, like even if we're friendly about it, but if somebody like अगर हर्षा मुझसे दूसरे दिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा weird और grumpy हो जाएगी मैं उसको जाके बोलूँगी हर्षा ग्रीन टी आपके लिए
Thank you.
हर्षा आपके लिए ग्रीन टी that's not what I would do that was like very very stupid ठीक है and what about Hayden okay
I feel like Hayden is a very understandable character, like one of the understandable, like I could understand where he comes from, because like again, like he comes from a very how do I say it, like a very politically political, that background sort of
Yeah, very
thing. So
political background.
his life was already planned out for him, and going, out of the way to be like, to be a writer and to be this or that. I understand why he
Amazing.
was like that.
Yeah.
The coffee.
No.
So I could understand, but Alice, I did not understand at all. Like, I really tried to understand her character. I really tried to understand where she comes from, even with the whole, having not having a good relationship with her mother, and then her father passing away and everything. Even with that, she was just meh.
Alice's character just did not have enough depth. I think हो सकती थी because of her tragic backstory. Like her father passed away, her mother wasn't that supportive, उसकी sister कुछ बार
Was
बार
sick,
होती है and
yeah.
like but like and her sister is sick and like I think उसकी story में बहुत depth हो सकती थी, उसके character में बहुत depth हो सकती थी. But the only thing that I got out of it was I'm insecure and only my dad supported me. And I get it कि ठीक है, that is also depth within itself, but I think बहुत ज़्यादा build-up हो सकता था character.
Yeah,
And then
true that.
even with the whole insecurity, her acting the way she was, like would an insecure person just be very cheap? I don't know.
Yeah. What about Margaret?
अच्छा, हेडन, मुझे हेडन का ये हेडन का आई फील लाइक शुरू शुरू में बिकॉज आई थिंक हम एलिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहे थे स्टोरी को. हेडन वाज जस्ट टॉल.
Yeah, it's
He's
like
just tall.
every time Hayden was mentioned in the book, I was like, oh my god, he's so,
so
tall.
And I'm not
it.
even kidding. I'm not even kidding. I think हर 2-3 pages बाद we were reminded कि Hayden is tall.
Yeah, that's about it. That Hayden is tall. Like, oh
शुरू
my
के अंदर
god,
तो it
Hayden
was so
is so
bad. I think
tall.
Hayden का character से उसकी back story से develop हुआ.
True. And
लेकिन
Margaret?
हाँ, Margaret. शुरू में I was kind of annoyed by Margaret because I was like, why is she annoying these kids? And Margaret मुझे थोड़ी shady सी हमेशा से लगती थी.
Shady to थी.
Shady मुझे शुरू से लगती थी कि there's
Shady
some
थी.
problem. And I think even the characters felt it वो जब वो गलत story बता रही होती है and stuff.
Yeah, when she was lying,
हाँ.
yeah.
So like yeah, like Margaret was शुरू से very shady, but then even when it was revealed that she was in love with Cosmo, and then because of the family she couldn't be with Cosmo, and then like उसके बाद so apparently her story is कि वो she's in love with this guy, like you know teens and like young adult when she was a young adult. और फिर क्या होता है कि उससे उसकी नहीं बन पाती बिकॉज लाइक जो फैमिली प्रेशर की वजह से उससे उसकी शादी नहीं होती एंड शी लीव्स हिम एंड देन इवन आफ्टर शी इज मैरिड शी secretly meets him and like they have a secret relationship and then Cosmo asks her कि ठीक है तुम अब मेरे साथ चल दो. Okay, back then you did not have the courage, now you do. So like up to like you know quite some years have passed and she still doesn't. And then after so many years she starts writing the book and I'm like, was it necessary? I mean it is sad like आपने एक दफा छोड़ा एक बंदे को फिर आपने दूसरी दफा छोड़ा एक बंदे को and then you're like no my god my love मैं इसको कैसे छोड़ सकती हूँ and oh my god I hope people learn from my experience which is why I am writing this book or like sharing my story. I am just like थोड़ा सा मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत ऑफ लगी थी like
True, very true. So what would you rate it
I would
out of 10?
out of 10 out of 10 I'd rate it as 5.9.
5.9. I'll give it a 6.6. Yeah, 6. Because I did see the potential, but I feel like it was just, left hanging. Like,
Yeah.
everything was just left. Like, the book was like us. हम एक point पे शुरू होते हैं and then we just like
And then we free ball.
yeah,
So
we
I think
free
that's
ball.
how it was. I think और लेकिन writing में I feel like वो नहीं चलता.
यार
बोलते
वो
हुए वो
ठीक कर
चल
सकता
जाता
है,
है,
सो
but
या
then I feel like writing में एक चीज चल रही है and then another thing, and I feel like it just wasn't structured so well.
it was not, that's what I said. It was
हाँ.
just like us, हम एक बार शुरू करते हैं and we just left that
Hmm.
thing and then start with another
Start with
thing.
another thing.
So
And ऐसे and हाँ, I am giving it a 5.9 because I think मेरा सबसे बड़ा एक होता है वो problematic उस पे होता है, like one being it ends with us and 10 being a really amazing, 10 being टॉम हार्डी की बुक्स, राइट. सो आई थिंक वो मेरा अगर रे स्केल है तो आई वुड प्लेस इट एट 5.9 बिकॉज रोमांस बुक्स, कंटेम्प्रेरी रोमांस मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ती.
कोई even I
I
don't read
think
it.
maybe I would have if I was like 15 or 16 when I was like blooming into puberty. मैं उस
Blooming into puberty. Okay.
but like I think उस वक्त मुझे ये books फिर भी थोड़ी fascinating and cute लगती, लेकिन now I'm just like dude just stop being children यार. ठीक है.
True.
And but I do think the reason I give it a 5.9 is because I do think ke she's a good writer. She's not a bad writer. She is a good writer. She's done well. But I think a lot of people like मुझे पता है मैंने किसी से पूछा था कि ये बुक कैसी है जिसने पढ़ी हुई है. And she was like, oh शुरू में बहुत boring है and then it gets better. And then I'm like, dude, if it takes a writer 10 chapters for a book to get better, I think it was after 10 chapters that we actually started liking the book.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then the dip happened. But like, if it takes a writer 10 books to make us like it, it's just lazy writing. And it's not a good book.
Girl, bar spit कर रही है.
No, but
बस
I
आज
do
तो
truly think that.
so many languages in world, Ajia chose to speak the truth.
But like I actually think कि the relationships वही वाली बात आती है, the relationships went, अगर ये सिर्फ हेडन और एलिस की स्टोरी होती या फिर सिर्फ मार्गरेट और कॉस्मो की होती तो we would have liked it better.
Liked it.
Although I see उसने क्यों डाला because she wanted to show कि अच्छा मार्गरेट और कॉस्मो की स्टोरी है and उससे impact क्या हो रहा है. So I think she truly wanted to show that, लेकिन I think she kind of failed at it. So yeah, who do you think these books are for? This book is specifically for.
I think personally I wouldn't recommend it to anybody.
No, but like
Being very honest, like okay fine, like for example if I were like, let's
you
say
wouldn't recommend it, but like अगर
if I
तुम्हें
was
किसी को देनी होती है बुक गन पॉइंट पे तुम किसको देती? Like you think कि अच्छा ठीक है इसके लिए ठीक होगी.
I can't say the name.
Don't say the name. Just
Oh.
tell me age brackets or like the kind of people.
A kid, like 11-12-year-old kid.
I wouldn't even 11, 12-year-old. It's the graphic stuff है. आगे लो क्या? 11, 12-year-old को ये पकड़ा ही नहीं.
I feel like 11-12 year
वैसे spice
kids
इतनी
are
नहीं थी. This did not have a lot of spice. Like जितनी मुझे
Yeah.
लग रहा था होगी. It's not that spicy.
11-12 year old kid. Like I feel like 15-16 के लिए भी थोड़ी सी वो है. I don't know. I think I'm being too nice because I feel like even 15-16 year old have that intellectual level to see what, like to see my point, what I'm trying to get at. But yeah, like if 11-12 people, like especially the ones who are just like the ones who have a crush on a very tall guy.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
for people who have
Who
their
have-
first crushes, if you're in a girls' school, probably your teacher. But
Yeah.
like, if you have those, I think it's a fine
Yeah,
book.
like I recommend it to somebody who has a crush and the crush is like super tall, like 6-7 feet tall.
No,
Yeah.
but like I would recommend this maybe to a 13, 14-year-old because they know about spice. Okay, they know everything. Okay, so like they know about spice. I think वही ना आपका 30, आई थिंक 13, 14 एंड 14-year-old के जब आप होते हो तो आपका सीरियस पहला क्रश होता है. तो आई थिंक उसके लिए इफ दे वांट टू लाइक रोमांटिसाइज
मेरा
इट
तो
एंड
अभी
स्टफ,
है.
but then I truly think
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, no personal talks, Varsha.
You just mentioned crush, and I was like, oh my god, मेरा तो serious वाला अभी आया है.
But like, Khair, I would really recommend this to a 13-14 year old. I would not recommend this to at all
Grown
to
ass
a
adults.
no. But like मुझे लगता है जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है a 19-20 year old, because 18-19-20 year olds में आप बहुत extremely जज्बाती होते हो about your love, and the इसके अंदर ना ये जो चीज़ दिखाई गई है ना कि okay you should fight for your love is for a guy who is nice and a guy who is worth it. Okay, 18-19-20 year olds dating idiots and then being like nahi we will not listen to family and we will like marry the love of our lives. This is not how it works. Okay,
I really cannot relate. I'm so sorry. I really cannot relate.
but I think the reason why I wouldn't recommend them this book is because I think they might get into that fiery thing कि, oh my god no
we
I have to
should
fight for
huh?
my love, and like आपको love में हर आदमी ठीक लग रहा होता है, ठीक है. So this is not for an 18-19 year old. I truly do not think that. उनको डेफिनेटली अगर आप अपने बच्चों को ये बुक पढ़ते हुए देखें जब वो इन लव हो तो आप समझ जाए कि बगावत होने वाली है.
So, to
So-
end this episode,
End this episode. What was
Yeah.
one quote in this book that you like?
I think it was at the very end. I'll read it out. I did highlight it somewhere.
I think I also highlighted. I think I highlighted a lot of stuff because हर जगह मुझे problem नजर
You
आ
wanna
रही
go
थी.
first or should I
So
go
you
first?
go first. I don't think I have a
Okay,
favorite
so
quote.
literally at the very end, it says, I find myself thinking that maybe every bit of heartbreak in life can be rearranged and used for something beautiful. That it doesn't really matter whether I choose this path or I was born
I was
into
born
it,
into-
so long as I stop and appreciate the path itself.
I don't have a favorite quote. I don't think I have a favorite
I
quote.
think the ending
I truly
was,
like this. I think the ending is amazing.
it
For
was
people
not.
who do not know how to end, no, I don't think the ending, the story is amazing. I think वो जो end उसने जिस तरह close किया ना, I like that.
Hmm.
I liked how it closed. For people who do not know how to end stuff,
Yeah.
I think the ending was nice, but I don't think the story was nice. Okay, so that's that. We're done here. This was our first episode. Let us
Second.
know. First episode of reviewing.
Yeah.
First episode. Khair. Let us know what other books you want us to review. We will free ball this. हमने बहुत प्लान किया था कि हम ऐसे segments बनाएंगे, हम ये करेंगे, but we cannot. We're two idiots who will just talk randomly, and this is the vibe. So please do let us know what other books you want us to review. We read everything. We try to read everything.
We
This
try.
wasn't our genre. We tried. So yeah, and let us know what your thoughts are. Give hate on us as much as you want. It's okay.
Yeah, we'll take it.
We'll take
Like,
it.
Also, it's
Even if you
under.
disagree, it's completely fine. That's where literature meets. That's where two people who love literature meet. It's fine. And thank you so much for watching. And we're tired.
We
and
are
this
very
video is
tired
too
and we are
long.
both very sick. Oh my god.